LDV MAXUS SUMP. She's leaking right around the edge. She's also been damaged at some point. So I'm attempting to change this thing out. So I have a new one there and have the gasket. So quickly you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and this support bracket needs to come off. Now you can see it is okay to come off because there's a bolt through at this point, and there's a bolt through at this point which holds the top part of the engine. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got 4 13mm bolts, as you see there. So you just loosen them all up, take this off, and then what you need to do is, as you can see right the whole way around that, there is an 8mm nuts that needs to come off, and then once you remove all them, this sump should drop down. See it, alright, it's a bit of a mess in around this. So I'm going to give this a go and see how I get on. Sump now removed. Now there's 3 wee rubber rings in here somewhere that I need to actually find out where they go. It's always advised to do this while the sump is removed. So we'll get a wee look around this first and then let everybody know. Now lashing the flipping rain, tarpaulin out. So the LDV MAXUS, we have the filter out from below this. There's 3 wee in behind this fender. So once you take the sump off, you've got this like this grille thing. So you need to be taking out that bolt, that bolt, that bolt. I think there's 6 bolts in total, and in behind that there is, I'm going to soak here. In behind that there is 3 washers, I believe. 1, 2, 3. And behind that, they tend to harden up and break. That causes issues in through your engine. So once you're changing the sump, it's always best. It's always best to change these washers. So basically, what I've done, I've got a lot of this high temperature black silicone on around the outskirts of this, around the skirts of the sump or resale, but that's probably a bit overkill because I've got the gasket for it. So I've actually put a wee bit around the outskirts of the gasket, and you're supposed to let this sit 8 to 12 minutes for it to get a skin on it. And then I'll put that on top of that, and then I'll go out and put it to secure it below the van. So I won't long here.